नमस्कार। आज का विषय हमारा है जो कि हम अक्सर आपस में चर्चा करते हैं कि यार देश की तो हालत ख़राब है। आजकल तो लोग बड़ा ज़माना ख़राब आ गया है और कुछ लोग जो मेरी उम्र के हैं तो वो बात आपस में करते हैं कि यार ये आज का ज़माना तो बड़ा ख़राब हो गया। अपने टाइम में बड़ा अच्छा था, वैल्यू सिस्टम था, वैल्यूज़ थी, कहाँ मोरालिटी का हनन हो गया, समाज पतन की ओर चला गया या जा रहा है, इस तरह की बात करते हैं। तो बहुत से व्यूअर्स ने, बहुत से लोगों ने ये कहा कि आप इस पे भी चर्चा कीजिए। सवाल बड़ा कठिन है। मोरल वैल्यूज़, आर दे ड्रॉपिंग इन द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स एंड मोर पर्टिकुलरली अस इन इंडियंस। कठिन इसलिए है कि मोरालिटी, मोरल वैल्यूज़ जो मेरी हैं वो दूसरे की नहीं हो सकती, आपकी हैं वो तीसरे की नहीं हो सकती। मेरा ऐसा मानना है कि मोरल वैल्यूज़ आर इंडिविजुअल ड्रिवन, पर्सनल ड्रिवन। पंजाबी में एक कहावत है, वो किसे नु माँ बादी किसे नु माँ स्वादी। बहुत से बिजनेसमैन भी हमने देखे हैं जो हम उनके बारे में सुनते हैं, देखते हैं, वो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं पैसा कमाने के लिए। उनके लिए राइट और रॉन्ग की परिभाषा ही नहीं है। आप में से कौन बताना चाहेगा what are the moral values according to you? Can anybody want to expose them oneself?
In my thinking, moral values are like respect for elders and honesty, punctuality, all these things.
Moral values are those which are intact in all adverse circumstances.
Very good learning. Moral values are which keeps your values intact even in adverse circumstances. जी.
Actually, moral value, according to me, are also according to circumstances, as he said. Like I give you one example. Very recently, I was standing along with my son for a security check in a president house. So one senior citizen was trying to jump the line. So I have objected. But my son, he's 18-year-old. He said, Papa, don't stop him. At this time, he might need, to go inside first because of his need. And he is, after all, senior citizen. So, it's sometimes according to the circumstances also.
And also you can say that your moral value was different than your son.
Yeah, exactly.
So that is also one point to be noted. मोरल वैल्यू की अगर आज हम बात करें तो पहले हमको ट्रुथ क्या है लाइफ का, सच्चाई क्या है लाइफ की, उसके ऊपर बात अगर करें तो शायद हम मोरल वैल्यूज़ वेदर गिर रही हैं कि उठ रही हैं कि अच्छा हो रहा है, इसकी शायद हम समीक्षा ठीक से कर पाएँ। उसमें मैं ये कहूँगा कि वी शुड नो द ट्रूथ ऑफ दिस वर्ल्ड as well as us as a humans should know about our truth. What is the code of living for the humans? Some code of livings are made by ourselves, for ourselves. Some codes of living are made by the society. समाज में लोग अच्छा बुरा कहते हैं. Some codes are from our teachings, from our learnings, from our book of our faith which we believe in. Trust we believe in. So some code of living. So all these three kind of codes of living, and out of them we filter down and then we say this is our code of living. And how and why we act, what way we act, or what are the actions of the human being which we really pursue and follow. Then do the emotions play any role in our life, in the human beings? Maybe not, maybe yes. And then finally, if we know all these four things, then do we become more wiser and wisdom to really evaluate the moral and morality. So with these five things which we can discuss in little bit more details, what is our human composition? Firstly, what the world is made of, and conversely, what are the human beings made out of? Is the self-realization necessary? और finally, इन सब 7 चीज़ों को मिला के क्या हम एक सुप्रीम रियलिटी पर पहुंच सकते हैं क्या? और जहां रियलिटी हमको समझ में आ गई, वहां फिर मोरली राइट और रॉन्ग उसकी समीक्षा करने में कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। क्योंकि जब हम कुछ चीज़ें जानते नहीं हैं, जब हमको रियलिटी नहीं पता, सच्चाई नहीं पता, इसके लिए जजमेंट करना ठीक नहीं होगा। किसी भी इंसान को कि आप गलत हो या आप ठीक हो, ये कह देना हमारे लिए बड़ा आसान है, लेकिन वो कहना चाहिए बिना सच्चाई जाने? मेरा ख्याल से नहीं। आप क्या कहते हैं? लेकिन क्या हम कहते हैं, लोगों को जजमेंट करते हैं किसी के बारे में? वी पास ऑन जजमेंट ऑल द टाइम। कोई एग्जाम्पल आप देंगे?
Sir, actually, there's this tea stall owner just outside Hindi Bhavan in Delhi, and if anybody normally crosses by, then he won't think much of him. But that is one judgment we kind of pass, that if he's a tea stall owner, how much would he be earning? But if you actually go and sit there, then he has 12 books published to his name, and he has actually been interviewed by BBC. So that is his accomplishment, and he's just a normal tea stall owner sitting underneath a tree. So
Wonderful.
that is one thing I learned.
Sir, 2 children, one was of age around 10 years and one was of age around 15 years. They were street children. So I saw that the boy who was of 15 year age, he was like scolding of that boy of 10 years, and it like I felt very pity that he is like, because of his age and that thing, he is scolding him. So I asked him not to do this, and within few seconds that boy of 10 years, he ran away. Then I came to know that boy who was of 10 year age, he was actually a drug addict, and they were like holding him to take him to the center. So I feel very guilt on that
बिना सोचे समझे जब हम जजमेंट पास करते हैं तो कहीं गलत रिजल्ट आ सकता है।